The minus operator. So far, we've learned about union, union all, and intersect. There's one more set operator that we can learn about in Oracle. The minus keyword allows us to see data that looks like this. We can see data that exists in query 1 and exclude all the data that exists in query 2. It's called a minus operator because it's query 1 minus query 2. If we have our query diagram that looks like this, with the two separate queries on the left, they can be combined with some overlap that might exist. A minus query would just show the blue section. If we use our earlier example, where query A has records 1, 2, 3 and 4, and query B has records 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9, the union would show 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Union all would show 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8, 9. Intersect would show 2 and 4, but minus would show 1 and 3, which is the query 1, which has 1, 2, 3 and 4, minus those numbers in query 2, which in this case are 2 and 4, and that leaves 1 and 3. So let's see a demonstration of this concept in a query. Here is our first query. We're selecting the first name and last name from the employee table again. You can see there are 200 rows. Now let's run our second query. It's very similar, so we're going to copy and paste it and just replace employee with customer. You can see there are 10 rows here. Now we can use minus to show the results of the first query minus the results of the second query. So I've got our two queries side by side here. Delete the semicolon and write minus. Now let's run this query. It will show us the results of the first query minus those found in the second query. So it's shown 197 rows here. Those three values that we found as the intersect are not shown. It doesn't show those three values that we found in both queries. So that's how you use the several different set operators. Next, we'll have a look at using 3 or more sets in a single query. Don't worry, I'll break it down so it's easy to learn.